Welcome to our channel Revenue Avenue. In this video we'll explore strategies for building your financial empire with revenue. We will delve into key principles and actionable tips that can help you grow your income and create a solid foundation for long-term wealth creation. From maximizing revenue streams to leveraging opportunities, we will guide you on a path to building your own financial empire with revenue as the cornerstone.
Number 1. Creating a revenue growth mindset.
Building a financial empire starts with adopting a revenue growth mindset. It's not just about making money, but about developing the mindset and habits that lead to sustainable revenue growth. To cultivate this mindset, focus on building your self-belief, developing a positive attitude towards money, and adopting a growth-oriented perspective. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate you to reach for higher levels of success. Developing a revenue growth mindset involves setting ambitious yet realistic revenue goals.
Break down these goals into actionable steps and celebrate each milestone achieved along the way.
Embrace a mindset of abundance, believing that there are always new opportunities and revenue streams waiting to be discovered. Train yourself to view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than obstacles.
Number 2. Developing a revenue generation strategy. A well-defined revenue generation strategy is crucial for building a financial empire.
Start by conducting thorough market research to identify potential revenue sources and target markets. Gain a deep understanding of customer needs, preferences, and pain points, and tailor your offerings to address them effectively. Develop a comprehensive plan that outlines your revenue goals, key performance indicators, marketing strategies, and tactics for revenue growth. Regularly review and adapt your strategy based on market feedback and emerging trends. When developing your revenue generation strategy, consider the various channels and platforms available to reach your target audience. Invest in market segmentation to identify niche markets and tailor your products or services accordingly. Explore partnerships and collaborations that can expand your reach and customer base. Leverage technology tools to streamline your revenue generation processes such as customer relationship management, CRM, systems and marketing automation software. Implement analytics and tracking mechanisms to monitor the performance of your revenue streams and identify areas for improvement.
Number 3. Building a diverse revenue portfolio.
To build a solid financial empire, it's essential to diversify your revenue streams. Consider investing in a mix of assets, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, to generate passive income and potentially benefit from capital appreciation. Explore opportunities in the gig economy, such as freelancing or offering consulting services, to diversify your income streams.
Leverage your expertise by creating online courses or writing ebooks. Consider renting out properties or exploring the potential of affiliate marketing. By diversifying your revenue streams, you can create multiple sources of income that provide stability and growth potential. Number 4. Leveraging technology for revenue growth.
In today's digital age, technology plays a pivotal role in revenue growth.
Embrace the power of technology to optimize your revenue generation efforts.
Develop a strong online presence through a well-designed website, engaging social media channels, and effective search engine optimization (SEO) strategies. Leverage technology tools and software to automate routine tasks, streamline operations, and enhance customer experience. Utilize data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns, allowing you to tailor your offerings and marketing strategies for maximum impact. Explore the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning algorithms to personalize customer experiences and optimize pricing strategies. Invest in mobile technologies and develop mobile apps to reach customers on the go. Embrace digital marketing techniques such as content marketing, email marketing, and influencer collaborations to expand your reach and engage with your target audience.
Number 5. Investing in revenue-generating assets.
Investing in revenue-generating assets is a strategic step towards building your financial empire. Consider allocating a portion of your income towards investments that can generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. Research different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk and optimize returns. Seek guidance from financial advisors or investment professionals to ensure informed decision-making and maximize the potential of your investments. When investing, consider factors such as risk tolerance, investment time horizon, and financial goals. Understand the fundamentals of each asset class and conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. Evaluate historical performance, analyze market trends, and consider the potential for future growth. Regularly review and rebalance your investment portfolio to adapt to changing market conditions. By investing wisely, you can generate passive income and create long-term wealth that contributes to the growth of your financial empire. Number 6. Expanding your revenue potential through partnerships. Strategic partnerships can significantly enhance your revenue potential. Identify businesses or individuals that share a similar target audience or offer complementary products or services. Collaborate with them to create joint marketing campaigns, cross-promotions, or bundled offerings that provide added value to customers. Leverage each other's networks, expertise, and resources to expand your reach and tap into new markets. By forming strategic partnerships, you can accelerate revenue growth and strengthen the foundation of your financial empire. When seeking strategic partnerships, focus on aligning with businesses that share your values and vision. Look for opportunities to collaborate on projects or initiatives that can benefit both parties. Establish clear goals, expectations, and mutually beneficial terms for the partnership. Consider co-creating products or services that leverage the strengths and expertise of each partner. Foster open communication, trust, and transparency throughout the partnership to ensure its success. Number 7. Scaling your revenue-generating business. If you have a revenue-generating business, scaling it is essential for building your financial empire. Develop a growth plan that outlines strategies to increase market share, expand geographically, or diversify product offerings. Invest in marketing and advertising to increase brand visibility and attract a wider customer base. Implement efficient operations, optimize supply chains, and leverage technology to handle increased demand. Hire and develop a talented team to support your business growth. By scaling your business, you can generate higher revenues and position yourself for long-term success. Number 8. Continuous learning and adaptation. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential for revenue success in a dynamic business landscape. Stay updated with industry trends, emerging technologies, and consumer behaviors through ongoing learning and professional development. Attend conferences, seminars, and workshops to acquire new knowledge and skills. Engage with industry experts, thought leaders, and mentors who can provide valuable insights and guidance. Embrace change, experiment with new ideas, and adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the competition and meet evolving market demands. Number 9. Building a resilient financial infrastructure. When building a resilient financial infrastructure, prioritize effective budgeting to track your income and expenses. Develop a cash flow management strategy that ensures adequate liquidity and optimal utilization of funds. Manage debt responsibly, focusing on minimizing interest costs and maintaining a healthy debt-to-income ratio. Consider establishing emergency funds to cover unexpected expenses and create a safety net for your financial empire. Work with trusted financial advisors and professionals to ensure the protection and growth of your assets. Number 10. Leaving a legacy with your financial empire. Develop a plan for passing on your wealth, knowledge, and values to future generations. Consider setting up trusts, foundations, or charitable organizations to support causes that align with your values. Educate your children and loved ones about financial literacy and responsible wealth management. Foster a culture of philanthropy and giving back within your empire. By leaving a lasting financial legacy, you can empower future generations and make a positive impact that extends beyond your own lifetime. When planning to leave a financial legacy, engage in estate planning to ensure a smooth transfer of assets. Seek legal and financial advice to understand tax implications and explore strategies to minimize estate taxes. By leaving a lasting financial legacy, you can inspire and empower future generations to continue building upon the foundation you have established. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of strategies for building your financial empire with revenue at its core. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on financial success and wealth creation. Now, it's time to take inspired action and embark on your journey towards building a thriving financial empire with revenue as your guiding force.